The Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan hides a secret, one that is both fascinating and terrifying. It is a fiery pit known as the Darvaza Gas Crater, a place where the earth seems to open up and breathe fire. Locals and travelers call it the door to hell, a name that evokes both fear and curiosity. This name suits the crater well, as it burns with an unearthly glow that can be seen for miles. The flames dance and flicker, creating a mesmerizing display of light and heat. The sight is both mesmerizing and intimidating, a reminder of the raw power of nature. The crater is large, almost 200 feet wide, making it a significant landmark in the vast desert. It is also quite deep, plunging down about 100 feet, creating a cavernous pit of fire. Imagine looking into a pit of fire as wide as a football field and as deep as a 10-story building. The scale is truly awe-inspiring. The heat from the crater is intense, even from a distance, making it difficult to approach too closely. The air shimmers with the heat, distorting the view and adding to the surreal atmosphere. The ground around the crater is dry and cracked, a testament to the relentless heat that emanates from the pit. This is a testament to the relentless heat which has scorched the earth and left it barren. The Darvaza Gas Crater is a powerful reminder of the forces that shape our planet, forces that are both beautiful and destructive. It is a place of mystery and awe, a natural wonder that continues to captivate all who witness it. The Darvaza Gas Crater is not a natural phenomenon. It is a man-made disaster that has captured the world's attention. It was created by accident in 1971 during a Soviet drilling operation. Soviet geologists were drilling for natural gas in the Karakum Desert, a vast and arid region in Turkmenistan. During their exploration, they struck a cavern filled with natural gas which was hidden beneath the surface. The ground collapsed under the weight of the drilling rig, creating a massive crater that swallowed the equipment. A large amount of methane gas escaped from the hole, posing a significant risk to the environment and nearby communities. Methane gas is highly flammable and can cause explosions if not managed properly. To prevent the gas from spreading and causing harm, the geologists decided to set it on fire, hoping it would burn off quickly. They believed the fire would burn out in a few weeks. However, they were wrong. The crater has been burning continuously for over 50 years, defying all expectations and predictions. The flames show no signs of dying down, continuing to burn brightly day and night. The Darvaza Gas Crater stands as a testament to an error in judgment and the power of nature, a fiery reminder of the unforeseen consequences of human actions. The Darvaza Gas Crater burns continuously because of the continuous supply of methane gas from underground sources. This methane seeps up from below the Earth's surface. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas, much stronger than carbon dioxide. The burning of methane releases carbon dioxide and water vapor into the atmosphere, contributing to pollution. These emissions also contribute significantly to global warming. Scientists and environmentalists are deeply concerned about the environmental impact of the burning crater. They are studying the site to understand the volume of methane being released into the atmosphere. Research is ongoing to find effective ways to extinguish the fire. This would help significantly reduce its environmental impact. However, the crater's remote location and the complexity of the situation pose significant challenges for researchers. The Darvaza Gas Crater, despite its potential environmental impact, has become a popular tourist destination. Located in the heart of the Karakum Desert in Turkmenistan, this fiery pit has been burning continuously for decades, drawing curious onlookers from all corners of the globe. People from around the world travel to Turkmenistan to witness this awe-inspiring spectacle. The crater, often referred to as the door to hell, offers a unique and mesmerizing experience that is unlike any other natural phenomenon. The best time to visit the crater is at night. As darkness falls, the flames become more vivid, casting an eerie glow that can be seen from miles away. The flames illuminate the desert, creating a surreal and unforgettable experience. The sight of the burning crater under a starry sky is truly a spectacle to behold. The Darvaza Gas Crater is a reminder of the power of nature and the impact of human actions. It was created in 1971 when a Soviet drilling rig accidentally punctured a natural gas cavern, causing the ground to collapse and the rig to fall in. It continues to fascinate scientists, environmentalists, and curious travelers alike. Researchers study the crater to understand its long-term effects on the environment and to learn more about the natural gas reserves beneath the Earth's surface. The door to hell is a fiery testament to our planet's mysteries and the importance of understanding and respecting the forces that shape it. It serves as a powerful reminder of the delicate balance between human activity and nature's raw power.